cooking but hate oven cleaning? Here is your solution. Grab our PDF file, 5 reasons why your oven needs professional cleaning. Let us share an opinion from one of our loyal clients. I love cooking, but since the busy entrepreneurial lifestyle leaves little time for oven cleaning, I decided to hire a company to do it for me. Now, I can enjoy my tasty home-cooked meals without having to sacrifice my free time on boring tasks. You see, it's not just me who loves cooking. My partner is very much in the same boat as me, so our oven has to do a lot of work. Besides, both of us are also very enthusiastic about healthy living. We try to eat home-cooked meals as often as possible. In the past, this would mean spending a ton of time on oven cleaning. But thanks to FastKlean's professional oven cleaners, we can enjoy our meals and stay healthy without having to worry about oven cleaning at all. All I have to do is pick up the phone, get in touch with our cleaning company, and they take care of everything from start to finish. We don't even have to lift a finger. Treat your oven to a throughout cleaning session and prolong its lifespan. They love to clean. Call FastKlean, call them right now. And grab the PDF file, 5 reasons why your oven needs professional cleaning.